मैम लैप
Gija ma'am, audible?
Audible, ma'am. Shari,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Uh, yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Jai Gurudev. It's audible, na? Fine. Yes. Good morning to all. This is Shine and Rubni. I'm signing to the max session, my dear children. Let's start our session with one more interesting tips, max tips. Let's do it. And hope so you all are practicing the tables. Yes, I know, my dear student, all are practicing from 2 to 5 table properly. Now here comes the 6 table. Okay, let's do it. Today's max tips and tricks of 6 table. Yes, let's do it. Here is the box. Yes, and in that box you are going to write 3 number on top, 3 number in the middle, and 3 number in the down. And one more box is there, and in that middle you are going to write 0 outside this side, and one more box is there. In that also 3 boxes in first row, and another 3 box in second row, and another 3 box in third row, and you are going to write 0 in a one corner. Now let's start it. So here comes our numbers. We are going to write our number from bottom to top. Yes, let's do it. One in the ground floor. Okay, then it will go to the top floor. Let's do it. One, two, three. Again, the numbers will come from bottom to top. 4, 5, and 6. Then 7, 8, 9, and the 0 will be outside, and the same will follow in the second box. 1, 2, 3, then from down 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, and 9, and the 0 will be outside. After writing this number, we are going to write the numbers in front. Yes, let's do it. Yes, my dear children, we are going to write the number in the front. Yes, in the first row, we are going to write the number 0, 0, 0. Yes, yes, started from 0. Then comes, yes, then comes 1, 1, 1. Then comes 2, 2. And please mute yourself. Someone has unmuted. Then comes 3. Yes, continuing. 3, 3, and 3. Then comes 4, 4, and 4. Yes. Then comes 5, 5, and 5. And the last number is 6. Oh, here comes our 6 table. Let's do it. How? We are going to make it diamond. Yes, make some drawing. Diamond. And the diamond is connecting. The first number connecting is, let's circle it. I am circling the numbers with the pink color. Let's do it. First one. Then second connecting point. Then third number. Got it? And the fourth number, connecting number, and this will connect to this one. Outside one number is there. Yes. Superb. Next, the same way we are going to do for this also. Let's do it. Diamond box. Then make the circle. Let's make the circle. 36. Then comes 42. Then comes 48 connecting. And then comes 54 connecting. And the last number, the corner number is, oh wow, we got it. 6 table. Yes, let's start. Yes, all of you join me, my dear students. We got all the circles are 6 table with the pink color. Let's do it. 6 table now. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. 6 6 36. 6 7 42. 6 8 48. 6 9 54. 6 10 60. Wow, my dear children, we did it. Let's do it one more time. Very interesting. Drawing is there in that. Let's do it one more time. Yeah. Let's repeat. Join me. We will do one more time. 6 table. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 15. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. 6 6 is 36. 6 7 is 42. 6 8 is 48. 6 9 is 54. And 6 10 is 60. Yes. And we are going to do in a horizontal form. Let's do it. Yes. Join me, children. Let's start. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. Yes, my dear children, doing correctly. 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, and 6 10 are 60. Wow, we did the 6 table and hope so you enjoyed a lot. And you are going to learn today's 6 table correctly. Yes, without your parents' help. I hope so. My dear student will do correctly 6 table without any mistake now. Superb. Now, let's begin our session. Yes. Today we are going to continue our lesson. What is our lesson? Yes. The lesson is subtraction. Yes. And today we are going to do in subtraction statement sums. Yes. Let's learn how to solve statement sums today. Yes. Subtraction statement sum. Okay. Yes, children, be attentive in the class. Okay. If you are silent, I am going to call you. Okay. So please mute yourself and be ready. Now, here comes our keywords. Yes, here is a keywords. Yes. So, my dear children, you have to remember all the keywords of subtraction. Let's start. The first keyword is how much, how much left. How much left? Left means remaining part. So that will be the answer. Okay. If this word is coming, how much left? That means you have to do the subtraction of that two numbers. Clear? So keep it in mind. Whenever the statement sums comes and they are asking how much left, you have to do subtraction. Got it? Now, next keyword. Find the other. Find the other number. Two numbers are given. You have to find the other number. That means you have to do subtraction. Next. How much more? How much? How much more is the another number? That time also you have to do subtraction. Next, if it is coming which is lesser also, that means you have to do minus. Which is lesser also you have to do minus, and how much more you have to do minus. And find the difference. Find the difference. So that time also you are going to do subtraction. So all these things, keep it in mind while doing statement, subtraction, sum. Okay. It is very interesting, children. Okay. Let's start. Now we are going to do very interesting statement sum. So see here. Yes, children, you can see this is a classroom and total number of student is how much? Yes, total number of student is 78. Yes. So number of student, please don't touch the screen. Total number of students is 78. Now, in the 78, Rilani, please don't touch the screen. Now, the total number of boys in the classroom is 36. 36. You have seen now your class teacher will write in the board how many total number of student, number of present, number of boys and number of girls. Yeah, so same way you have to identify this question. Let's do it. Now see, the number of student in the class is 78. Number of boys in the class is 36. Now what you have to find? You have to find how many number of girls. How many number of girls? So what to do? Yes, children, I will call one student, be ready and tell me what we have to do. We have to subtract or do the addition. Kanishka, Shri, are you there? Kanishka, Shri? No? No? Kanishka, Shri, no? Okay, then I'll call one more name. That's it. Lakshmanan, fastly come. Lakshmanan, are you there? Lakshmanan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, how many girls are there? We are having number of students 78. Number of boys 36. We have to find number of girls. What to do? Addition, subtraction, what to do?
Addition or subtraction?
Which one we have
Addition.
to do? You have to tell me.
Addition. Addition.
No. No. See, total number
Subtraction.
of how you are telling?
It's go.
Yes, correct.
It, we cannot
So, big number.
add. We can minus.
Yes, we have to do minus because we know the number of full number of students. In that boys are there and the number remaining will be the girls. So we are going to do subtraction. Okay.
Press.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, Lakshmanan, yes, be with me and let's do the subtraction. Here comes. Here we have written total number of student 78. Total number of boys is 36. Number of
36.
girls now we are calculating. So we have to write in tens place, ones place. So what we are going to write? 78. And we are going to subtract 36. So Lakshmanan, tell me 8 minus 6. Tell me one space.
8, ma'am.
Subtraction. 8 in the mind. 8 in the mind.
8 in the mind. 6 in the
6 in the finger.
finger.
Before 8 is
Before 18,
7,
7,
6,
7,
6, 5,
6, 5, 4,
4, 3,
3, 1, 2,
2. Yes. So what is the answer?
2.
2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Lakshmanan. Now, fastly come. Hariharan. Hariharan, are you there? Come fast. Make it fast. Hariharan, are you there? Hariharan, let's do the sum. Ones place over na, tens place we have to do. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger.
3 in the finger.
Hmm.
After
Before 7,
3, 4,
before 7,
5, 6. 6 ma.
before 7 is 5. Sorry.
4 ma'am.
Yes, correct. 1 second. 1 second, my child. Before 7 is 6, 5, and answer is 4. Correct. So 7 minus 3 is equal to
4.
4. So answer is, number of girls in the class is how much?
42 ma'am.
42 girls are there in the class. Correct? Superb. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, Ma. Now we will do one more statement sum. Okay. Yes. And you have to correctly identify. Okay, what to do. Here comes the boy's favorite person. Yes. Here comes. What is this? Spider-Man. Yes, we are going to do statement sum of Spider-Man. You like the Spider-Man? I know many of the boys will like Spider-Man. Oh, okay. Now let's do the sum. Spider-Man bought 947 chocolates. Yes, see, the Spider-Man, your favorite friend, brought 947 chocolates for you. Oh, wow. On his birthday. Okay. Then, and he distributed, and what he did, he distributed how many? 736 chocolate, and to all his student, all his children, favorite children, kids like you all, for to C and D, he distributed 736 chocolates. Oh, wow. Then among his friends, now how many chocolate? Now children, see the key word. What is that key word? How many chocolate?
211 ma'am. 211 ma'am.
Wait, Girja ma'am. Girja ma'am, is it possible to mute everyone? Girja ma'am?
Yes, starting,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, it become noisy. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. We will do step by step. Okay. You have to tell me how you got the answer, isn't it? Yes, I know you are doing in the notebook. Very good. So what you did, my child? I will call one student. Ap- Aparna. Aparna, are you there? Yes. Aparna, tell me what to do. We have to subtract. See, the key word is how many left. We are going to add or subtract. What we have to do? Aparna, your voice is not clear. Tell me fastly. It's not. Subtract. Yes, very good. Very good, Aparna. Okay. Okay, thank you. Mute it. We are going to subtract. Okay? Yes. Now, let's do it. I will show you the step how to write. First, tell me how to write the statement sum. Yes, see here. First, what line we will write? We will write how to write statement sum. This is the process. First, you have to write number of chocolate Spider-Man bought is equal to in 100 place. You have to make the boxes 100, tens and ones box, and correctly you have to write the number. So the first number is 947, and then the second step, what is the second step? Yes, number of chocolates Spider-Man distributed is 736. Yes. So now the number of chocolate left is, how many number of chocolate left? Yes. Let's do the subtraction. Yes. Ojasvi.
I know.
Yes. Join me. Ojasvi.
Ma'am?
Yes. Come soon. Come soon. Yes. Ojasvi. Let's do the subtraction of ones place.
Yes, ma'am.
7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, how much, ma? It's very easy.
1.
7 minus 1, because 1 only the difference. So very good. You can identify easily. Superb. Now 4 minus 3, that is also very
1.
simple. 1, again 1. Now 9 minus 7.
2.
2. Again it is very simple. Yes. Yeah. So very easily you have done. Yes. Yes. So what is the answer, Ojaswini? 200 chocolates were left with spider. How many chocolate? 11 chocolates. Thank you, Ojaswini. Thank you. Thank you. Now, over to Rubni ma'am. Hope you have enjoyed and you are going to do the statement sum correctly now. Yes. Rubni is going to take it now. Yes. Thank you. We come to statement sums. Hope you all enjoyed the Spider-Man and classroom statement sums. Yes. Okay. Now read along with me. First step for the statement sum. What we have done for the addition, the same only. First, you have to read the sum twice or thrice. You are going to understand the sum first. Then you will find the key terms. Yes, find the key terms. What we are going to do. Find the key terms. Then you are going to plan for the sum. What will be the minuend? What will be the subtrahend? What will be the some addition or subtraction? So these and all you have to find. You have to plan for the sum. And then you will proceed the sum. You will proceed the sum. And then the special step, you will be writing the answer separately. This is what, okay? Now, read along with me. Read along with me, children. Yes. Mohan add 187 marbles. Sorry, marbles. Mohan add
187 marbles. Mohan had 187 marbles. He gave he gave 104 marbles to Arun. 104 marbles to Arun. How many left him? How many marbles were left with him? Okay. Mohan had 187 marbles. Okay. And he gave to his friend Arun, that is 104 marbles. How many marbles were left? Were left. Left means subtraction. Left means how many left with him. So that is subtraction. That is subtraction. We are going to subtract now. You know you are going to do the subtraction. What you are going to do the subtraction? What numbers you are going to do the subtraction? Yes. What is the numbers? 187 marbles and 104 marbles. Yes. Here. What is the subtrahend? What is the minuend? The minuend, bigger number should be, yes, total marbles. From that only you are going to subtract. Yes. So 187 is the minuend. 104 is the subtrahend number. That is going to take away number. Yes. Yes, we know 187 marbles and 104 marbles we are going to subtract. Now, what are they? 187 is what? Mohan had total number of marbles. That is what? Yes. The total number of marbles had with Mohan. Okay. Then, what is 104? Mohan which share with his friend. Yes, the number of marbles shared with his friend Arun. That is what? 104. Yes. Now please don't touch the screen, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we know now what is the key term in it. We understood the sum. The next step, we find the key term and we plan for the sum. What is the planning? We are going to do the subtraction we found, and we have found what the numbers we are going to subtract and what is that. Yes. Now move to the sum. The next step is we are going to proceed the sum. First step, do you all remember in addition what we have done? First, you have to write the place values in the right corner. See, here they mention H for hundreds, T for tens, and O for ones. Okay, then you will be leaving one line and write from the left. What you have to write first? You have to write the minuend number. Minuend is what? Total number of marbles. Okay, total number of, it should be, I told you already, some statement sum should be short and sweet. You're also short and also sweet like, yes, like you have to write the statements. While you are writing, it should be very prescribed and sweet. Okay, yes. Total number of marbles. So total number of marbles, 187. 187. That you have to mention in the appropriate rooms. 187 ones. And then what you will write? You will write the minuend number. What is the minuend? 104. And what is that? Number of marbles Mohan gave to Arun. Yes, number of marbles Mohan gave. Okay, number of marbles. If you write NUMBER, you won't get space. So what they have done here, NO, short form of number, NO dot. Okay, NO dot means number. Okay, number of marbles Mohan gave is 104. 104, how you will write? 1 in the hundreds room, 100. Then 4 will be in the tens room or ones room. So 0 will come. If it is 4 goes to the ones room, in between you have to put 0. You should not write 14 or 140. Okay? While you are writing the numbers, you should be very careful. You have to write the numbers in the appropriate rooms. Okay? If not, the total answer will get wrong. Okay? 104. So 100, 0, tens, and 4 ones. Now, what we are going to do? Subtraction. Sanjana, please don't touch the screen here. How many marbles were left? So left means subtraction. We are going to do the subtraction. What is the sign of the subtraction? That is minus. We are going to put the minus sign. Then what you will write? Number of marbles. What we are going to find? What we are going to find? The number of marbles left with him. Left with Mohan. If there is no space, you can write number of marbles left. That's all. That's enough. Okay. Number of marbles left is equal to. So from which place value will you start the subtraction? From one's room. Yes, from one's room. And then you will move to the tens room. And then you will move to the hundreds room. Yes, correct. So we will start from one's room. In one's room, what is the number? 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Is it possible? 7 is bigger number and you are going to take away 4. Is it possible? So 7 minus 4. Everybody have your fingers. 7 in your mind. 4. 7 in your mind. 4 in your fingers. Before 7, recitate. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3. Okay. 3 ones. 3 ones. Okay. Ones room. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 ones. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will move to the tens room. We will move to the tens room. Okay. What is in the tens room? 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. 0 means nothing. You are going to remove nothing. If you are not removing nothing, what is the difference? The number itself. Yes. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8 itself. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8 itself. So in tens room, what you will get? 8 itself. Now we will move to the hundreds room. Yes. In hundreds room, what is the number? 1 minus 1. The numbers are same. Do you remember that poem? The numbers are same. 0 the game. The numbers are same. 0 the game. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 itself. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 itself. So what is the answer? 0, 100 you will mention? No. What you will mention? 8, 10 and 3 ones. 8, 10 and 3 one is 83. What is the 83? Marbles left. Marbles left. Number of marbles left is 883. Sorry, 83. So what is the special step? You will write, no, what is the special step? Answer is equal to, answer is equal to 83 marbles. You will write at the last. You should specify that. Answer is equal to 83 marbles. Yes? Is it clear? Is it clear? Any?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? What is the doubt? Ashwini? Ashwin Narish. What is the doubt? Yes? Yes, child. Yes? It's not clear, ma. What is the doubt, child? What is the doubt? I hope it's clear. Any doubt? Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Okay, I am going to tell about this week project work. This week project work. I will explain. You have to listen and you are going to proceed. Okay, no more photos. You are all grown up. No, you have to listen. Okay. I see. I'm just giving the example. You have to do at your home by your own. You can choose your own things. Okay. You have to select any scenario. You have to select any scenario. For example, I will tell you. See, uh, my mom brought means by past tense. Brought 10 10 apples. Okay, my mom brought 10 apples. My brother ate 2. My brother ate. Eat past tense, ate. 2. How many apples remain in the basket? How many apples remain in the basket? So I create my own scenario from the kitchen room. My mom brought 10 apples and my brother ate 2. What will be the remaining? Okay. So like this, you have to create one scenario. For that, you have to draw one picture. If I said apple, so you have to draw the apple. You can draw the apples in red in color or green in color. Okay. There are 2 types of apples. Either. Then you have to write the question. You have to write the question. What I told now. My mom brought 10 apples. My brother ate 2 apples. How many remain in the basket? So you have to write this. Then what we will do in the sum. Likewise, you have to do. Okay? Yes? Can you all do it? You have to draw the picture and write the question and write the answer. Everything you done, take the photo and post it in your class group. Okay? Likewise, you can prepare any of these, any kind of this. For example, my father brought 200 chocolates to my birthday. Okay, my father brought 200 chocolates to my birthday. I distribute 80 chocolates. I distribute 80 chocolates to my friends in the birthday party. How many left with me? How many left with me? So you have to do the sum. Likewise, you can draw the chocolates and you have to write the question and then you have to. Likewise, you can prepare any of this. Okay? Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Oh, ma'am.
Any doubt regarding the sum, regarding the subtraction, or regarding the activity? Any doubt? Yes?
Oh, ma'am. No.
No doubt. Is it clear? Everybody, those who have the doubt, please unmute and
A4
talk to me.
sheet. Ma'am, you take.
Yes?
I'm using A4 sheet. Ma'am,
Sorry,
using
I forgot.
A4 sheet.
I forgot to tell this. You are going to do this in the scrapbook. You are going to do this in the scrapbook. Okay? You have one scrapbook, no? For the subtraction, you please do that this in your scrapbook.
Ma'am, in school scrapbook.
Yes, dear.
Oh,
Only in school scrapbook. Those who doesn't receive your school scrapbook, you please do in your any A4 sheet and keep it safe. Once you reach your get your
I'm
notebook,
doing school scrapbook.
scrapbook itself. You have to
Ma'am,
maintain.
school scrapbook, ma'am.
that is what you can do in your A4 sheet, Kanna. You can do it in the A4 sheet and keep it safe. You have to stick in your scrapbook later. Okay, va? You couldn't receive now, but you can receive later, right? If you are in the Navy, you can come back and get the notebooks later. So that time you have to stick in your notebooks.
Book.
Okay.
What you have to do in A4 sheet?
What you have to do was, just now I explained two scenarios. You're asking me what you have to do once again. See, you have to create one scenario. Okay? Like in
How many sums do in Scrabble?
man, the voice is repeating. See, in your home, your mother is buying some apples and your brother ate some apples, and what will be the remaining? So, for that, you have to draw the apples. If it is the question, you have to create your own question. That is what? Logical and critical thinking. That's a very great thing. Okay? Today, you should all post it in your group. I will ask your class teachers how many of them have done.
Let's finish the ma'am.
Post today. Thank you, children.
Okay. Otherwise, you can take the example of just now I showed you na number of student in a class, number of boys, number of girls. You can draw the picture and write the statement. How many girls are left, or like that, or any other. You can, yes, you can create like this. You can draw and create something, or you can write. My father bought 50 apples. In that, we ate 30 apples. How many left? You can draw and you can write. Okay, like this.
Thank you, children.